Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today what I'm doing is a wandering or traveling tree ring pour. And I don't know if you've heard yet, but I'm a member of the Pouring in Harmony group on Facebook. And we do a weekly challenge. So this is our weekly challenge this week. And we had to use, I can't remember all the colors, but you only had to pick 3 or 4 colors. And out of those colors, I picked the lime green. This is folk art, right here. And aqua, or teal, folk art. And I made this myself. It's a peachy red, so it's an orange red, orangey red. And 2 of the colors that you could have picked was orange or red, and of course the lime green, the teal, and the white. I can't remember what the other one was. So I have prepped my canvas. I've got paint on it, and also tape and push pins. And I've prepared my cup. I love what the cup's doing already. Already pretty. I did rub some OGX Coconut Milk in the cup prior to filling it with these colors. And I layered the colors right down the side. So I think what I'm doing is I'm going to start here on this end. I'm going to hold it up a little. I'm just going to go like this slowly. I know I have way too much. And we're traveling right down the page. The page, yeah. We're traveling right down the canvas. And I'm going with it, as you can see. So I'm moving and it's moving. I'm going to go here. Wow, I love the bottom of the cup. Oh, it's gorgeous. So pretty. I might get something out of that. Alright, let me torch this before it gets off the canvas. Nice and bright colors here. Get my torch out. I got a fan going, so I hope I don't blow it out. Alright, I'm going to do it real quick so we don't cause a problem. I see the bubbles popping. I don't want to bake it though. Alright, I think we're good. And now, what we're going to do is just let it sit there for a minute. See what we got coming up to it. Looks like we've got lots of little cells going on. I'm not even sure which way I want to tip it. I suppose I'll tip it both ways. Alright, so let's start tipping it. I just don't want to lose too much, even though there's a lot of paint on there. Yes, there is. Whoa. Okay. Very pretty. I'm liking it. I like the brightness of it. Maybe I can pick up some skins out of this. Like that lime green. Don't want to lose all that teal either. Or the red. You definitely don't want any mud. You can easily get mud with some of these colors. I'm going to try to put white in between my layers to help prevent the mud. So, let's see what we end up here. Back over the side, and now back over here. I don't know if you can see it. Wow. Lots of color coming off. Come on. I'm sorry, you can't see it right now. Trying to get it over this side. I gotta bring it back to the middle too. Okay. because I don't want to lose all that red. Of course, I don't want to lose that green either. I like the green in the corner. Very pretty. Let me tap some of this and take a look at it real quick, because I don't want to end up with mud at all. No mud, please. Alright. I'm holding it in that direction, so it is running off a little that way. See a little bit of a mucky color right at the top, so I think I'll stop. I think I've taken enough color, or enough paint off, and it came out quite pretty. Not too muddy. I hope I got enough paint on the edges. There we go. We need a little bit more right here. That's right. Very pretty. Okay. So what I'm going to do at this point is wipe off my hands a little. Get out that torch. Torch it one more time. Real quick torch. So, if you want to join the challenge, please do. Just ask you to put hashtag pouring in harmony, POURING harmony, HARMONY, and join us for our weekly challenges, and come join the Facebook group. A new group, and we're experimenting with all kinds of resins and all kinds of things. Alright, let me torch this. Let's see. Ready? There we go. Alrighty. I think we got most of the bubbles. And we do have some fills. I forgot to mention that all my paints do have in them Floetrol, glue all, and very, very little water, if any. And some have some Liquitex in them as well. And normally I put either Treadmill, spot-on lubricant in there, which is 100% silicone, or the 3-in-1, which is also 100% silicone. I haven't used that in a while though. Coconut milk, as you know, I either put it in the bottle, in my pre-mix bottles, or I did put this time in the cup. And then I have Blaster as well. Oh! Did you really just do that? Well, now for sure I have mud. Okay, so I don't know if I can fix this, but you know what? Hopefully I can do something to it, all to show the Blaster can. I don't know, we might just slip back in there. We'll see. So, as I was saying, I also use Blaster sometimes. Okay, so what shall I do? I know you're all screaming at me. How did you do that? Why did you do that? Accidents happen, especially. Hopefully this will turn into a happy accident. I'm just going to keep my fingers crossed. I don't know if I can fix it or not. I just don't know. Well, I was going to use this for some skins, but looks like I'm having to use it for a repair job. So, we'll see. I don't know. So I think what I'm going to do now is maybe I'm going to have to move it a little bit more again. Just roll it right off of there. Look at that pretty, over here is a lot of prettiness going on. So, see what we end up with as we take more of it off. You never know what you're going to have. It's a shame because that really stands out there. Such a shame. Yes. Want it to fix, but it's not doing so. Oh well. Maybe if I squirt some white there, it might sell up. Let's see what we can do. Who knows what will happen, right? We'll swipe like that. See what we got. Oops. Alright. Well, there's my mess. That looks a little better now that I put that white in there and it selled up a little. So, it doesn't look bad even with the Mystique. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing weekly challenges. I have got a new giveaway coming up. I do a giveaway at the end of every month for the beginning of next month. And I'll be putting that video up soon. So it's a subscriber giveaway appreciation. And also going to be doing some more crafts and things. So stay tuned. And thanks for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.